Hello, programs on condition, and here comes application program number 5. This is going to show how the conditions are applied, and this program has got a slight twist inside. If you see the question, you see there's a less amount of things are visible, right? Now, the question says an e-store announces the following seasonal discounts on certain items purchased. Input the item name and its cost and then calculate and print the discount. Also print the amount payable. Now, you are not going to calculate the discount based on the price. Yes, you are going to do the calculation on price, but the condition is not asking for the price. The condition is asking the name of the item, and that is a string. So you see, last programs, it was based on the condition was based on the price of the thing or the cost of the thing. But here, the conditions calculation is based on the name of the item. Okay, so you have to input the name of the item and the cost. And after calculating the name and the cost, then you will calculate the discount based on what the name is, right? So you have to perform string and number both input, right? Okay, I will show the answer, but again I will expect you to do the answer on your own first, and after that cross check the answer with the answer that I am going to show now. Okay, so let me do the countdown. If it is number so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here. So let me start with the first half of the code that shows. Let me see what it is showing. It is showing here. Right. So there's a main. In the main, there's item name which data type is string. And there's a total cost. I've taken it as long. You can take it as int if you want. Int or long. Then there is a double which is discount. Enter the item name. Look at the item name's syntax. It is not integer anymore. It is next line. That will allow you to enter a string. Then the cost is taken and you see the comparison is not being done only directly, If the item name dot equals landfold is equal to true, only then this testing will be correct, you see. So item name and landfold, they have to be equated with the help of the string operation which is dot equals. Then the first part, if not the first, then if it is equated, the comparison is done with mobile, then the second, then if it is compared with tablet and then laptop, and otherwise, you see, the discount is for anything else, it is 10%. So the comparisons are taking place not based on any number comparison, but with strings this time. So my turn to show you the output now. So in order to show you the output, I have to create the object, and then on the object I have to create, call the main. As I'm calling the main, you see, it is asking for the name, which is coming from this line. If you go up a little bit, you can see. Then enter the item name. So if I enter the item name as tablet, oh, okay. If I enter here in this version of Java, it doesn't expect the strings to be given at all. So I can enter the input directly without the quotation marks, right? If I enter now, see, the item name has come in. Now if I enter the price, as you see, what is the cost of a tablet? Around 16,000. If it is 16,000, if I enter, the discount is given from on that of a tablet. You see, 25% of 16,000 is being calculated, and therefore the amount payable is calculated by doing the subtraction. Okay, if I run the program once again, and this time if I enter the item name as you see laptop. If I enter laptop, then you see what's happening. It's asking for the cost. If the cost is you say 40,000, so 40,000 will cause the output to come to be, see, whatever is the calculation, do the calculation. 40,000, you are getting a discount of 40%, and just making the price to be 24,000. It's a seasonal discount they want to give. They want to give things. Only if I knew the address of the shop, I would have gone there, right? So, is it okay with you? You can test the other questions, other values on your own. And in this way, you can check the answer and be satisfied. Okay?